Number line, absolute value, and integers. A number line is a line that has marks, sometimes known as tick marks or just ticks, on certain intervals. Not every number line needs to be the same. Not every number line needs to include 0. Most of them do, but they don't always have to. There are two types of number lines, horizontal that go left to right, and vertical, which is up and down. The horizontal number line. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative. The numbers to the right of 0 are positive. The farther a number is to the left on a number line, the smaller it is. The farther a number is to the right of a number line, the larger it is. A vertical number line is similarly set up. However, the numbers above 0 will be your positive numbers, while the numbers below 0, going down from 0, will be your negative numbers. Moving on to absolute value. Absolute value is the distance a number is from 0. On a number line. And something to know about distance. Distance is always, always, always positive. Even if you are walking backwards, you are still walking a positive distance. Absolute value is represented by these two straight lines up and down. So this question is asking, what is the absolute value of -6? So, absolute value is the distance. We want to know what is the distance that -6 is from 0. All we have to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took us 6 spaces or 6 hops to get to -6. Therefore, the absolute value is 6. Notice it is positive. On this number line, 3 is right here. And this question is asking us, what is the absolute value of +3? We want to know how many spaces, what's the distance from 0 to 3. I went 1, 2, 3 spaces. Again, notice it is positive. The absolute value will always be a positive number. Finally, integers. Integers are whole numbers and their opposites. And we also include 0. The whole number 2 is an integer. The opposite of 2 is -2. That is also an integer. So I'm going to give you 3 examples of integers, and I would like you to give the other 2 that will make 5 total. -6 is an integer. 0 is an integer. And 2 is an integer. Please list 2 more integers. Next, similarly, we are going to do 5 examples of numbers, but this time we want numbers that are not integers. I will give you 3, and I would like you to give me 2 more. 0.5 is not an integer. -3/4 is not an integer. and negative 0.6 repeated is not an integer. Please list 2 more examples. 3 examples of integers in the real world. Something easy is money. Money can be represented by an integer. Temperature can be represented by an integer. How high something is in the sky, altitude, or how low it goes, depth, can be represented by an integer.